I'm here on Alona Beach and I just ordered some chicken tacos. And I've got an amazing view of the ocean right now. And it's just an amazing evening. Very quiet, not that many people out.
I can't help the way I feel, so take another shot with me. God gave you this body now, please show me your blessings. I'm about to eat again and now ain't talking about breakfast. Put your legs above my head, go and mark it off my checklist. I'm not flexing, but you coming in first is always expected. Been thinking about it.
All right, guys, now it's time to eat. Let's take a look at what I've got. We got some chicken tacos, some fries, and a Coke. It's just a beautiful evening, a beautiful environment, watching the ocean while I eat. So, kaon tayo.